If you love premium wellness spaces and natural home design, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos about Himalayan salt products, installations, and inspiration. Meet our premium Himalayan Pink Salt Brick. Every brick begins as a solid block of natural Himalayan salt. It is carefully selected, precision cut, and hand-finished to create smooth edges and a clean, professional finish that's ready for installation. Measuring 8 by 4 by 2 inches, each brick features beautiful natural crystal textures and unique pink color variations, making every piece one of a kind. Perfect for salt walls, saunas, spas, wellness rooms, and salt therapy spaces. These durable bricks are built for long-lasting indoor use. Pair them with LED backlighting to create a warm amber glow that instantly enhances the atmosphere of any room. At Pink Salt Wall, quality is our priority. Every brick is carefully inspected before shipping, and if your order arrives broken or damaged, we'll replace it with a new one, 100% guaranteed. From natural Himalayan salt, to a beautifully crafted brick, to a stunning wellness wall, every step is built with care, quality, and craftsmanship. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Pink Salt Wall for more product showcases, installation guides, and wellness inspiration.